This is the result of combining the practicality of a flybridge cruiser, the inclusiveness of a single level entertainer, and the performance like a much smaller vessel. This is a Riviera 505 SUV. Now, if you've been a long-time viewer of our channel, you may remember when I personally delivered this 2021 Riviera 505 SUV to the current owners up in Hervey Bay about 5 years ago. Well, now their time with the boat has finished, and it's now your turn to take over and create lifelong memories. This is Bellissimo. Jump aboard and let's have a closer look. Time and time again, we're having conversations with owners that have owned flybridge cruisers their whole life, and they love the layout, they love the open cockpit, they love the seating, but they don't want to drive from the flybridge anymore, whether it's the stairs or whether they just don't want to be a charter captain. Well, here's the 505 SUV, the best of both worlds. Out the back, we have a hydraulic swim platform that can launch and retrieve this 2.9 tiller steer tender at ease. And then when the tender is in the water, you've got these stackable rails here that wrap around the swim platform, giving you a very safe fishing platform. Now this is where the 505 SUV really packs a punch for the size. You've got this central galley here behind the saloon lounges. And then as you step out here into the split alfresco area, you can see I'm fully protected by the elements that are included in the action. Continuing on with the all-inclusive design brief, you've got this raised helm here on the starboard side, great visibility over the bow, huge sliding window here, opening sunroof above me, a full garment package, and a C-zone control panel right at your fingertips. As you make your way downstairs, you can see why this model has been exceptionally popular, offering a 3-cabin layout, including a full beam master cabin. To the front of the boat, we've got a VIP guest cabin that's en-suited to the starboard side. A starboard custom cabin, which means they've removed the top bunk and enlarged the bottom single, giving plenty of room for taller kids or adult friends. And as you make your way down the port side into the master cabin, you've got a walk-in robe, an ensuite, and a full beam master cabin with large hull windows. Now, one important feature that I haven't touched on yet is the sheer power to weight ratio for the 505 SUV. She's powered by Volvo IPS950s, which is the same engine package that's fitted to the 5400 Sport Yacht, the new 5600 Sport Yacht, and the 6000 Sport Yacht. So we're sitting at 29 knots now, which is the efficient cruise speed, and we're burning 7.6 litres per nautical mile, which is exceptional for a 50+ foot boat. Well guys, that's a wrap here filming this 505 SUV. As you can see, the conditions are starting to turn it on here on the Gold Coast, and I'm not sure what else you're waiting for, because this could be you. My name is Sam Phillips from R Marine Jones, and this vessel is conveniently located at the Boatworks in Coomera, and I look forward to welcoming you on board very soon. Thanks for watching.